Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is exercise 10.2 in the mensuration chapter of 10th class. First question is, a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a hemisphere of the same diameter. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. According to the question, the toy is in this shape. So the diameter of the hemisphere is given as 6 cm and the height of the cone is given as 4 cm. As diameter is 6 centimeters, the radius becomes 6 by 2, that is 6 by 2, 3 centimeters is the radius of the hemisphere. Now to find the value of L, that is the slant height, L is equal to root of r square plus h square. In the cone part also r becomes 3. So 3 square plus h square is 4 square. 9 plus 16, that is root of 25. So the value of L, that is the slant height, is 5 centimeters. Now the curved surface area of the cone. Substituting the values in the formula, pi rl 22 by 7 into r value is 3 into L value is 5. After calculating, we get 330 by 7 centimeter square is the curved surface area of this cone. Now we should find the curved surface area of the hemisphere. The formula is 2 pi r square. Let us substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 3. So 3 into, after calculating, we get the value as 396 by 7. Now by adding the curved surface area of both cone and the hemisphere, we get the curved surface area of the toy. We should add these two values. So 330 by 7 plus 396 by 7. On adding both these values, we get 726 by 7. On calculating, 7 ones 0, 3 times 0.7 and 1. So 1037.71 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the toy. Now exercise 10.2, second question is, a solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. The radius of the common base is 8 centimeters and the height of the cylindrical and the conical portions are 10 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the total surface area of the solid. Now according to the question, the solid is in the shape of this. The top is the cone, bottom is the cylinder and the base part is the hemisphere. The height of the cone is 6 centimeters and the height of the cylindrical part is 10 centimeters and the radius is given as 8 centimeters. Now let us find the curved surface area of each part individually. So let us take the cone part first. For the cone, h is equal to 6 and r is equal to, here the radius is same, so r is 8 centimeters. L is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. So root of 100 is 10 centimeters is the slant height of the cone part. Now the curved surface area formula is pi r L, that is 22 by 7, r value is 8 into L value is 10. On calculating, we get 1760 by 7 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cone. Now let us take the cylinder part. For the cylinder, r is also 8 centimeters and height is given as 10 centimeters. Now the curved surface area formula of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Let us substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7, r value is 8 into h value is 10. On multiplication, we get 3520 by 7 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Now for the hemisphere part, r is equal to 8 centimeters and the curved surface area formula is 2 pi r square. Substituting the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into r square is 64. By multiplication, we get 2816 by 7 centimeter square is the curved surface area of the hemisphere part. Now the total surface area of the solid. Adding the curved surface area of the each part, we get the numerator as 8096 by the denominator is 7 in common. So on cancelling, once 1 5 times, 6 times, point, again 5 times and 7 times. So 1156.57 centimeter square is the total surface area of the solid. Third question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of the cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its sides. The length of the capsule is 14 mm and the thickness is 5 mm. Find its surface area. According to the question, the thickness is given as 5 mm and the cylindrical part length is given as 14 mm. In order to find the surface area of the capsule, we need to add the curved surface area of the cylinder with the curved surface area of the two hemispheres. So for the cylinder part, the formula is 2 pi r and h. Here r value becomes 2.5 because the thickness is given as 5 mm. So r by 2, 5 by 2 is 2.5 millimeters becomes the radius for the cylinder part, and h is given as 14 millimeters. And for the hemisphere part, r value becomes the same, that is 2.5 millimeter, and the formula is 2 pi r square. After getting the value, we should multiply it with 2. So by adding these two values, we get the curved surface area of the capsule. Let us move to question number 4. Fourth question is, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Here the volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. The formula for the volume is a cube. To get the value as 64, the value of a becomes 4. So the side is 4 centimeters for the cube. Now when two cubes are added, the length becomes how much? 4 plus 4, 8 centimeters, and the breadth becomes 2, that is 4 centimeters, and the height becomes, that is 4 centimeters. Now the total surface area of the cuboid formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Substituting the values, 2 into 8 fourths is 32 plus breadth into height is 16 plus again 8 fourths is 32. So 2 into 80, which is equal to 160 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cuboid, which is formed by joining the two cubes. Fifth question, a water tank consists of a circular cylinder with the hemisphere on either. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meter and its length be 8 meters, then find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. This is similar to the question number 3. Just we need to find the cost of painting, that is after getting the total surface area of the outer part, multiply it with 20. Here diameter is given as 1.4 meters, so r becomes 0.7 meters. Sixth question is, sphere, cylinder, cone have the same radius. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. Here also it is mentioned that the diameter of the sphere is equal to the height of the cylinder and the cone. So the curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Now the curved surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h value is 2r because the heights of the sphere, cone and the cylinder are same, or otherwise diameter of the sphere is equal to the height of the cylinder is given. So h is equal to 2r. We get this as 4 pi r square. The curved surface area of the cone is pi r. L is equal to root of r square plus h value is 2r. So this becomes 4r square. So r into root 5. Now the ratio of the curved surface area of the sphere is to cylinder is to cone is, cancelling pi r square, we get the ratio as 4 is to root 5. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Seventh question is, a hemisphere is cut out from one face of the cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is equal to the side of the cube. Determine the total surface area of the remaining solid. Let us consider a cube with side A, and a hemisphere is cut out from it and the diameter of the hemisphere is also A. Now to find the total surface area of the remaining solid, we should add 5 into area of each surface plus the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Since this is a cube, there will be 6 sides. From one side, a hemisphere is cut. So 5 into area of each surface plus the curved surface area of this hemisphere. Now let us consider the square, and area of each surface is a square because this is a square. So a square, that is 5 into a square is curved surface area of 5 sides. Now consider the hemisphere. Since the diameter is a, then r becomes a by 2. The curved surface area formula is 2 pi r square, that is 2 into 22 by 7. R value is a square by 4. We get the value as, consider 22 by 7 as pi only, so pi a square by 2. Now the total surface area is 5a square plus pi a square by 2, which is equal to, a square is taken in common. So the total surface area is a square into 5 plus 5 by 2. Eighth question is, a wooden article was made by scooping out hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its radius of the base is 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area of the article. This is the image. In order to find out the total surface area of the article as shown in the question, we should add the curved surface area of the cylinder plus 2 into the curved surface area of the hemisphere. By substituting the values in the formula, we can get the answer. Now for the cylinder part, the radius becomes 3.5 centimeters and h is 10 centimeters. Substitute the values in the formula. Let us consider for the hemisphere. In this case also r becomes 3.5 centimeters. And also substituting this value in the 2 pi r square formula, we will get a value. By substituting these values in 2 pi r square formula, we will get a value and we should multiply it with 2. By adding these two values, we get the total surface area of the article. Thanks for watching. Press bell icon to get notified and also please subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel.